Hey guys, this is a few minutes Marnix, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about um, annoying noises, obnoxious sounds. You know, I live in Amsterdam in a very crowded area, and there are a lot of houses and buildings and apartments, and there's always somebody working on theirs. There's always building going on, always fixing in place. And right now, in the apartment below mine, they're working on it. In the house next to me, they're fixing that, in a very dramatic way. And also at the other side of my balcony, there's a whole house being remodeled and redone in a very profound way. So, a few months ago, one of my neighbors asked me, Marnix, aren't you fed up with these obnoxious, loud noises all day long? Because you work from home most of the time, so doesn't it bother you, And I said, no, it doesn't, because I don't see it that way. I don't see it as obnoxious, loud noises. They're just sound. I could see it that way, like they do, and like most people do, but I just don't. A few years ago when my apartment was fixed and being redone, and I lived somewhere else, and every morning I visited my new apartment, I was thrilled by the fact that people were working there. I loved the sound of guys doing their magical stuff in my new apartment, fixing it, handling saws and drills and sandpaper machines and stuff like that. I loved every noise simply because every sound I heard meant that I was a little bit closer to my dream place. And of course that had nothing to do with the sounds I heard. It was just that I made a connection between the sounds and the working hard and the changes and the fact that I would be able to finally have my own place in Amsterdam. So there was a very distinct, a very clear connection between the sounds and my happiness, which was made up, of course, but it still worked that way because, well, we're all part of this. So this noise has been going on here, like what you've been hearing throughout this video. This noise has been going on around here for 3 months or something like that. And I do a lot of coaching conversations just because of that outside, because I can use the noise in my conversation, I can say there's a choice. You could be bothered by the noise. You just don't give a shit because it's just noise. And there's well, you probably saw it coming. There's a great analogy with the noise in our head. So I can tell many clients, who are listening to me and who think, what are you saying right now? I can't hear you. There was so much noise. I said, yeah, well, there is. And we can still have a really cool conversation, even when there is a lot of noise, because if we don't focus on the noise, if we're not too invested in it, there's no problem. And you know what? When it finally becomes very, very quiet again, you get to appreciate it so much more. Okay, that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.